Well, put your hand below the flame. There you go.
Yeah.
Here, hang on. Hold up.
No, I got both these motherfuckers.
This is a great idea. This looks amazing. This is going to be wonderful.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Hope we don't end up on YouTube.
Well, hopefully it's all for the right reasons.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Magic.
Don't.
Shit.
Oh, no.
The dock is still on fire. The dock is still on fire.
Dude! Almost died! Dude, the firework hit me in my fucking forehead!
Are you okay?
I have an egg on my forehead. Do not tell Alex.
Oh, here we go. No, we're okay. We're okay. There we go. Oh.
Dude! Oh my gosh! Dude, sorry. Here, how about lost a limb?
Oh,
See, look.
Hershey's.
Oh my God.
Holy shit.
I got hit in the fucking head with the firework.
I can't wait till you see that.
It knocked my fucking hat off. I got hit in the fucking head and ricocheted that shit in the air. Hey, do y'all realize that we are not telling any of our girlfriends?
Wait, what's she gonna say to take your hat off though?
I'm gonna say that.
That somebody punched you.
Yeah, I'm gonna say that.
That's
like,
what it looks like right now. Holy shit.
Hey Sawyer, did you bone corals last night? And
Hey.
punch me in the forehead.
Hey, Mars.
That is
Mars.
story.
Who's pregnant? Who's pregnant on your head?
Oh my goodness. Holy crap.
Third eye.
Who's pregnant on your forehead?
Uh-oh, we're doing
Oh
Dude,
God.
Fuck this shit. I'm out. Where's my fucking hat?
Hold on, Mars. Hold on.
Oh my God.
Oh no. Oh, Mars. No. Come on. Come here. Hold on. No, hold on. There we go.
with big giant fireworks attack. Oh, we're lit. Fire the hole.
Oh no.
Fire home.
Fuck this.
That one's not going to blow up in our face at least. There we go. That's better.
Brandon Marsh.
Marsh.
Dude, you might need to check that shit out. Dude, I got drilled in the fucking head by a firework. Golly. I feel like if we haven't lost a limb and I haven't lost my vision, like your head.
But yeah, there you are right there.
Dude, that shit, I can feel it. You don't have to show it to me. That shit is throbbing. I have another fucking brain on my face.
Stay still, Marsh. Look at me. Stay still, look at me. Put your head down.
Go find some
lemons,
dude.
It's growing.
Dude, yeah, that thing might even pop.
Who impregnated your forehead?
Dude, that's like not normal. Where's my hat? That's all I want to know. Where my hat is.
Put it on.
Oh, it won't fit anymore.
Seriously.
Are we done with that, please?
No way.
That is awesome.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, shit.
We got a half dozen more.
Hey, try to put your hat on.
We got at least 1, 2, 3, 4. We got at least 5 more.
It's cool. Hey, you can't tell, right?
Not now.
Get a light right here.